This is Ultra, the latest helmet from Lumos, the best smart LED helmet you can buy. Ultra will simplify your life, protect your head, and even help prevent accidents. Best of all, it's designed with affordability in mind, so that a Lumos helmet can finally be accessible to everyone. The truth is that bike-mounted lights don't always do enough to make you visible to drivers. Like us, you're probably also tired of your lights getting lost or stolen, and drivers not seeing, recognizing, or responding to your hand signals. That's why Ultra comes integrated with 3 LED modules, giving you full 360-degree coverage, ensuring you are seen by motorists from all angles, and drastically improving your chances of avoiding a crash. There are also turn signals that you can activate easily while riding using the included remote or an Apple Watch. The helmet is sealed and water resistant, so you can ride with it anytime, anywhere, rain or shine. It's smart, so you can use our app to track your rides, check the battery, and personalize your helmet with custom linking patterns. And of course, Ultra offers serious protection for your head. It passes rigorous safety standards with an A-star rating and is also available with the MIPS brain protection system as an optional upgrade. Over the years, we've received a ton of feedback and feature requests from our awesome community of Lumos helmet riders. We are excited that we were able to incorporate many of those requests into Ultra. You asked for a visor? We got a visor. You asked for larger and smaller sizes. Ultra will now come in 3 sizes: small, medium, and extra large for a comfortable fit for the whole family. You asked for a standard charging port. Ultra will feature a USB-C port, making recharging faster and easier than ever. We've also optimized battery life so that Ultra can last for up to 10 hours on a single charge. But the biggest request we've gotten is whether we can make our helmets more affordable. A good-looking, high-quality helmet could easily cost over $100. Add a good set of front and back lights, and that's another $100. Ultra will cost less than either. The Lumos Ultra is the perfect helmet for your bike commute, your training ride, your e-bike, or the family ride with the kids. Ultra has you covered.
The design, just look at it. It's amazing. I love it.
Für mich der schönste Helm auf dem Markt aktuell.
Il est extrêmement léger par rapport au modèle précédent, ce qui sur des utilisations sur des longues distances est quand même très appréciable.
The airflow is amazing and it felt really good during the ride.
Seriously, the lightness? I don't know how you did it with all the electronics and everything in it. It's beautiful.
You also don't have to worry about forgetting your lights when you go out, so that's super handy.
I'd really recommend this, and I'll definitely be buying it myself.
Just get one. It's amazing.
Hi, I'm Ewan, co-founder and CEO of Lumos. We got our start right here on Kickstarter 5 years ago, with little more than an idea and a passion to keep riders safe and build a great product. Since then, we've won some pretty cool awards, been featured on Oprah's Favorite Things, became the first helmet to ever be sold at the Apple Store, sold and shipped over 100,000 of our helmets to riders all around the world, and garnered hundreds of amazing reviews from customers who have loved their Lumos helmets. But what's most fulfilling is seeing our helmets actually make an impact, helping people stay safe and in many instances, saving lives. Safety is everyone's right. So we've made it our mission to make our life-saving tech available to as many cyclists as possible. That's why we've packed all our helmet making experience and user feedback into making Ultra our best and most affordable helmet yet. Imagine a world where every cyclist has access to protective gear that makes them as visible as possible to everyone on the road. With your help, we can make that a reality. Join us.
Your phone, your music, your ride. They've never mixed well. Until now. Meet the Coros LINX Smart Cycling Helmet, the ultimate audio platform with bone conduction technology that gives you a wireless, budless, precision audio experience as you ride. It's a helmet for cyclists who want to ride safely and enjoy the features of their smartphone. Music, calls, communication, voice navigation, ride data, and more. The Coros LINX helmet system includes the Coros Smart Helmet, Smart Remote, and Smart App, all tied together to your smartphone. Coros bone conduction technology channels precision audio to your inner ear. This means your ears are open to your environment for a safer ride. With a click of the Coros Smart Remote, play and pause music, accept calls, adjust your audio controls, and more.
Hey, I'm almost there. I'll see you in a couple minutes.
Current speed 23 miles per hour, 2 miles to destination.
Your hands stay where they're supposed to be, on the bike.
Turn right to 228th Street.
LINX transforms your ride experience through the power of wireless, budless precision audio connected to your smartphone.
You want to stop for lunch?
Yeah, that sounds good.
Cycling is more enjoyable, social, and safe. The Coros app takes it one step further and lets you set routes, track ride data, share, and compete. All of this integrated in a performance helmet that is comfortable, aerodynamic, and cool.
Hi, I'm Chuck, president of Coros. Our team has been working tirelessly to develop the best-in-class helmet that connects you to the road, your bike, and your smartphone. And we're ready to deliver. Units will be coming off the line soon. With your investment, you'll be helping us bring the helmet to market and make improvements to the app, making the Coros LINX experience even better. We hope you'll support us in the Coros LINX helmet. See you on the road.
For cycling fans, safety always comes first. This is the BH60 Smart Helmet introduced by LIVALL, the most powerful and smart helmet created and designed by a group of cyclists who have an enormous passion for cycling. The LIVALL Smart Helmet will give you a comfortable, safe, and smart riding experience you've been looking for. This small multifunctional controller is what we call BlingJet. You can signal left or right turns through the helmet lights and choose your favorite music by BlingJet during your ride. We've also designed an adjustable phone holder with an integrated power bank, which can be adapted to a variety of smartphone models, as well as providing an extra battery for charging. We've created the world's smallest nano-cadence sensor that works together with our powerful app for you to stay on top of all your data, whether it's your physical condition or the weather, at all times to better understand and enhance your riding performance. The helmet is an essential part of your cycling experience. That's why we've designed the unique LIVALL Smart Helmet. During your ride, you can use BlingJet and easily control functions of your helmet. The movable and rear lights can help you stay safe and keep track of your friends at night. The built-in speakers and microphone make it easier to communicate with your fellow riders, take phone calls, or even listen to music. In case of an emergency, our smart helmet will display SOS signals and alert your emergency contacts. The LIVALL Smart Helmet works to make your life easier, safer, and smarter. We've put our hearts into the design of Oxygen and used the best materials available. We hope that the Oxygen bike and Smart Helmet can make cycling safer and more enjoyable. Pledge now. Let's ride smart. Together.
We're on Kickstarter because we need to raise money for machine tooling materials so that we can go into production, and we need 1,000 backers to do it. So help us reinvent the bike helmet by sharing this project with your friends and being one of the 1,000 Kickstarter backers we need to make this project come to life. 1,000. Thoughtfully designed.